With Asian Paints SmartCare's range of innovative products for sustainable home decor, waterproofing problems are fast becoming a thing of the past. Continuing with its quest to provide cutting-edge waterproofing solutions, Asian Paints now introduces SmartCare Damp Block 2K. A two-component acrylic polymer-modified cementitious high-performance coating, which can be used for both positive and negative side waterproofing due to its excellent bonding, good waterproofing, and unmatched resistance to hydrostatic pressure. Because of its superior properties, it can be used in a host of areas for waterproofing purposes, including masonry surfaces that are subjected to damage due to moisture or efflorescence, bathrooms, toilets, sunken portions, balconies, and swimming pools. The features and benefits of SmartCare Damp Block 2K are as follows. Damp Block 2K can resist up to 5 bars of hydrostatic pressure. It forms a highly elastic film that provides elongation up to 100%. It provides durable and long-lasting protection against efflorescence. It is comprised of an acrylic polymer with high solid content. It protects concrete against carbonation. It offers excellent bond strength with cementitious substrates and also forms a seamless coat. It is non-toxic and easy to apply. Let us now have a look at the application procedure of SmartCare Damp Block 2K. The application will be described for anti-efflorescence coating, waterproofing coat for sunken areas. Let us have a look at the application for the anti-efflorescence coating. The first step in the application process is surface preparation. This is carried out as follows. Cement plaster should necessarily be removed from the affected areas up to the brick level. Ensure that the surface under treatment is strong enough and is clean and free from oil, loose materials, salt deposition, and is in saturated surface dry condition. Masonry surfaces should be fully cured prior to application. Bigger cracks, damaged portions, and hollow areas must be repaired with polymer-modified cement mortars. SmartCare Damp Block 2K must first be mixed and prepared before application. This is done as follows. Add the powder to the liquid polymer in the ratio 2:1, that is 2 parts powder and 1 part liquid. Add the powder slowly with continuous stirring. In case of high volume of product, use a mechanical stirrer for the same. Mix the entire quantity until a homogeneous slurry without any lumps is obtained. Keep this slurry undisturbed for 5 to 6 minutes to release trapped air during mixing. The slurry is now ready for application. Apply the prepared slurry of SmartCare Damp Block 2K using a brush or a roller over brick surface. Allow the first coat to dry for 4 to 6 hours. The coverage of the product is approximately 7.5 square feet per kg for 2 coats. Overlay the Damp Block 2K coating with cement plaster within 12 to 24 hours. For plastering, use SmartCare Vitalia as an integral waterproofing compound. Cure the overlay cement plaster for a minimum of 7 days and the surface can be tiled after that. Let us see how waterproofing coat is done for sunken areas. The first step in the application process is surface preparation. This is carried out as follows. Ensure that the surface under treatment is strong enough and is clean and free from oil or loose materials. Masonry surfaces should be fully cured prior to application. Surface defects should be repaired with polymer-modified mortar. Before application, ensure that the surface is in saturated surface dry condition. SmartCare Damp Block 2K must first be mixed and prepared before application. Apply the prepared slurry of SmartCare Damp Block 2K using a brush over the SSD sunken slab. Allow the first coat to dry for 4 to 6 hours. Remember that the drying depends on the ambient temperature. Once the first coat has dried, apply the second coat. For best results, the first and second coats must be applied in perpendicular direction. The coverage of the product is approximately 7.5 square feet per kg for 2 coats. Cover the surface with cement screed of 40 to 60 mm and provide the necessary slope. For screeding, use SmartCare Vitalia as an integral waterproofing compound. We can tile the surface only after 7 days of curing. While using SmartCare Damp Block 2K, certain precautions must be taken to ensure that the product is fully effective. These are as follows. For anti-efflorescence coating, cement plaster should necessarily be removed from the affected areas up to the brick level. Do not add water to SmartCare Damp Block 2K during mixing or application. The 7 days of curing mentioned earlier is absolutely essential, after which tiling can be carried out. Do not conduct any ponding test before the applied product gets completely cured. In case of fresh concrete or masonry substrate, the surface must be cured for 28 days before application. Overlaying of cementitious screed or plaster must be done within 24 to 48 hours of application. Thus, with its superior positive and negative side waterproofing properties, SmartCare Damp Block 2K is yet another valuable addition to the ever-evolving Asian Paint SmartCare range.